The mood is set, so you already know what's next. TV on blast, turn it down, turn it down. Don't want it to clash when nobody's screaming out now. I know you're hearing it. You got me moaning now. I got a secret that I wanna show you. Oh, I got a secret, I'ma drop into the floor. No teasing, you waited long enough. Go deep, I'ma throw it that you can't catch it. Don't hold back, you know I like it rough. I'm feeling you, huh? Know you're liking it, huh? So why you standing over there with your clothes on? Baby, strip down for me, gon' take them off. Don't worry, baby, I'ma meet you halfway, 'cause I know you wanna see me.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Every time I try to go, something keeps pulling me back. Everything's gonna be alright. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. It was meant to be, you were meant for me, so that means we gotta make it. Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you'd die, giving so much of yourself? It seems the only way. Tell me what you want and I will give it to you. I try to leave, you keep putting me back. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back. It's telling me I need you in my life. And everything's gonna be alright. Telling me I need you in my life. It was meant to be, you were meant for me, so that means we gotta make it love. Did you ever dream that it could be so right? I never thought that I would find all that I need in life. All I want, all I need, now I know I found it in you. 'Cause every time I leave, you keep pulling me back. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back. Telling me I need you in my life. Yeah. Everything's gonna be alright. Hey. Telling me I need
communication. Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. Just kinda different and we're not the same. Cause anything's have to change. I got no trouble with my pride, got trouble cutting tight.